Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook mackerel stew, okay? Okay, these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and then cubes. And then that's the mackerel that I use, mackerel in can. And then water, the mackerel. I get the bones, and then sayuti, and then garlic, onions, tomatoes, and then the garlic. Onions. Tomatoes, because I'm not going to add tomato sauce anymore, so just the tomatoes. Green onions, guys. Okay, I'm gonna add some of the green onions and some of it for the paprika. Mackerel. Sayuti. The soy sauce. Here we're gonna add a cube. And then oyster sauce. And okay guys, okay, that's the one. Okay guys, and then we're gonna simmer until the sayuti is cooked. Okay, so we're gonna cover one of the okay, mackerel stew is done. Okay, okay guys, look at that one. Oh, it's super yummy. I'm going to taste, guys. Garnish with green onions, guys. So that's our mackerel stew. It's super yummy. Look at that one, guys. It's super yummy. Super yummy, guys. Look at that one. That's the mackerel. Okay, guys. It's super yummy, guys. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. So that's the mackerel. So our mackerel stew is done. Thank you for watching, guys. And see you tomorrow for another recipe. Look at that one. Bye-bye.